Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to see how we can blur some parts in video or blur specific objects in your video using Filmora 9. Let's go ahead and start very quick. I'll add this video that I have. Suppose this is our video, we are going to blur some information on it. Like here I want to hide the name of this GitHub. So how can I do that is we have to go to effect. Down below there's utility. These bars are used for those stuff. This face off is used whenever you have some people here in your video, and you can apply this, then it will auto detect the face and blur it out. There are some other features, but the thing that we want is not here. Where we can specify the specific object or specific thing in your video which should be blurred out. So you have to type in search mosaic. Just drag this mosaic here at the top of your video, then it will appear here. If you double click, you will see the size for this one. Just resize it according to your need, put it in there. Then from here you can choose the duration for this one. Just choose the duration, here the type of blur, here the blur amount, opacity. These are the settings. Then blur your video which it isn't working, the object so should be blurred. Today I will clone or download this same project, and as long as you want you just can come here and blur it like that and test it no issues. So this video is short enough to just explain how you can blur the specific object or specific thing in your video. Nothing else, just this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video.